Hello guys, come back to the channel. Today we are going to solve time needed to buy ticket. Let's go to the problem description. So you don't need to. I'll explain you without going to problem description. So basically, uh, let's say we're at a movie theater and there are n people. Each person wants to buy tickets, right? The nth person wants to buy tickets of I means the 0th person wants to buy two tickets. The first person wants to buy three. Second person wants to buy two tickets. We're given a K, so we need. And the second thing is each person can buy a ticket 1 second. After buying a ticket, he will go back to the last position. Again, the second person will buy a ticket. He will go back to the last position. And like this, this will happen. So we need to return the time. We need to return the time for the kth person buy all the tickets. Suppose the K is 2, right? So we need to focus on this person. So we need to return the time taken for this person to buy the whole two tickets, right? So this example, we have three people who wants to buy two, three, and two tickets, right? The first second, this person buys a ticket and he go back to the last place, right? So it will be three, two, and this person bought a ticket, right? So he'll come back to the last, and now this person will buy a ticket. He'll go to the last one, right? We're focusing on this because k equals to 2, right? So we need to focus on this person. So we need to return the time taken by this person to buy all the tickets, right? Now this guy will buy a ticket and he'll go back to one and one. So 3 seconds is the first second. This is the second second. This is the second. So in 3 seconds, this loop happened. So again, the first person again buys a ticket will be 0, right? Again, this person buys a ticket. Oh, another thing we need to take care of that is that when the number of tickets that the person wants to buy becomes 0, then we need to eliminate him from the queue. We need to remove him from the queue. So it will be like 2, 1 are only present in this array at this point. So this first person buys a ticket, it will be 2, 1, 1. So we are focusing on this person, right? So at this point will become 1, G. So the person that we want has brought all the tickets, right? So what are the number of seconds? This 1, 3, and here it is 4, here it is 5, and here it is. So it will take 6 seconds. So if you take a look at this example, the first second after buying all the tickets, the array will become like this. So after that, there is no need to consider these people because they don't wanna buy any tickets, right? So this guy only wants to buy four tickets. So again, it will become 3, 0, or we can also remove them from the array. It will become 3, come 2, come 1, and at the end it will be 0, right? So for 5, initially he will take 1 second, he will take another second, he will take another second, he will take another second. So these are 4 seconds, and these are 5, 6, 7, 8. The total are 8 seconds, right? So how are we going to solve? What I thought was, let's look at this example, get a better idea of the we're having KS2 and we're having this array. These are n people, there are 4 people who want to buy these number of tickets, right? Right now we're focusing second person, 1, 2, this person, right? We need to tell how many seconds this person will take to buy. So what the question is asking us, after this person buys a ticket, he'll go back, right? So instead of doing this manual thing, what I'll do is I'll place a point here and say this is the person who is going to buy a ticket right now. So when he buys a ticket, it become 1, 3, 1. So moving this person to the back, instead of moving this person to the back, I'll just move my pointer here. So now, right now, this person is the one who is buying the ticket. Means person already bought the ticket and went back. And right now, this is the person who is buying the ticket. Right now, it will become 1, 1. And my pointer will come here right now. Right now, persons have already bought the tickets and they went back. Instead of going back, I'm just moving my point. So in the third second, it will become 0, 1. Right now, this person is going to buy the ticket. Right now, it will become 0. Right now, after this one entire iteration, what the array means, this is the resultant array, right? So we're focusing second person. He still wants to buy one more ticket, right? We again need to do the same thing. So now again the pointer comes to the first person because this person has gone back, right? After finishing of the after the last person gets finished, the first person is the one who will be front of the line, right? So again my pointer comes to the front. So it will become 0, comma, comma 0. Now my pointer will be here. It will be pointing. This person will buy a ticket. It will comma, comma. Then my pointer will be here, and it will become 0, comma 0. When the second person, gets all the tickets, we just need to stop there. We just need to end our iteration there. We should not go to the next person. Suppose the next person requires 2. We should not uh, let the iteration go to the next person and make him buy the ticket, right? We just need to stop when this person gets 0. No, when this person gets all the tickets that he wants, right? We just need to stop our iteration here. So this is the idea behind the code. So let's look at the code. This is the code. What I did was, well, I took seconds. When I'm changing, I'll just increase the number of seconds. Initial, I'll take a seconds variable, seconds equal to 0. At every iteration, when a person is buying the ticket, I'll increase the seconds. At this transition, this transition here it will become 3. It will become 5. Become 6. Here it will become 7. And when the person gets all the tickets he wants, we'll just return the number of seconds. Right? This is the same thing I'm applying here. Now, while my tickets of k means the kth person, while the kth person still needs to buy a ticket, we'll go inside and I'm just looping from left to right. And if the current person wants a ticket, reduce his ticket and increase the number of seconds. Right? Here we need to add this extra check because there is something like 1, 3, 2. If there is something like this, and this is the person we are focusing. Let's say our k equals to 1. Let's say this is the person we are focusing. Right now, initially, this person will buy a ticket, right? It will become 1, 1, 3, 2. Now my pointer will be here. Will become 1, 0, 3, now my pointer will be here. But we need to stop here, right here, because the person that we want has already brought all the required tickets, right? So we should not go to the next person to allow him to buy tickets, right? So this is the reason we have to put this condition here. When we put this condition here, if the current person, the person that we are focusing, has all the required tickets, then this loop will get stopped and will eventually, and this loop will also get stopped eventually. And at the end, we'll just return the number. This is the code, guys. And if you look at the time and space time complexity, here the n value is at most 100, right? The tickets value is also 100. So at most will be we will be doing something like 100. Okay, let's say in the worst case, each and every person wants to buy 100 tickets. So for this to become zero, we need to have n into 100, right? So n into n into 100. 100 means nothing but n. So time complexity will be order of n square, right? And the space complexity is order of 1. Since the n value is only up to 100, it can be 100 whole square. It can be 10,000, right? So which is not. So this brute force will work. That's it, guys, for this.